Hi, welcome back to the channel. So I'm at Nangang, the exhibition centre for 2026. I had to think of the year. 2026 Taipei Taiwan Motorcycle Show. So we're going to have a look around, see what there is, and hopefully enjoy. There might be a few new motorbikes this year. I think Suzuki have got a couple. Triumph have got one, BMW have got one, I think on display. So we'll have a look. I think Honda might have one. Not 100% sure with Honda. But trying to think of the Kawasaki, Eon are here, Indian, Harley. So if Harley here, Royal Enfield, they're going to be here. Triumph are here as well. So we'll have a look and we'll see. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. Okay, so the video that I'm going to shoot is actually filmed over the period of 2 days. We had a typhoon, so it was not open on Friday and wasn't open on the Saturday. So the Sunday was the first day, and we a couple of friends and I came to that one. It was quite crazy. You'll see some of the videos, maybe pictures, and we'll see some for today. As you can see, very quiet in the hallway. So catch you in a little while. Okay, so first off is the AGV Italian helmets. Kawasaki Z900, Z900 as they say in America, Z900, and the back boxes at the back here. So the was on the other side. As you can see, it's not overly busy. KTM. I don't know how many times these have been bailed out with various different companies. So a friend of mine was saying that Audi are interested in looking at these. I'd be interested to see. So in the middle. We'll have a look at them on the way round. Maxis. Not a company that I go personally for the tyres. Rebike. Pretty big for pretty much lots of different things in the biking world. I actually kind of like these mirrors. I mentioned earlier, Eon. Some pretty cool looking bikes. In shade, you want your back box, your side panels, side bags.
Hello. Sticker.
Just get a free sticker. Got to work out the tree. Japanese. Tank bags as well. I've already got one on the CP. I really don't need another one. Jawa. Yeah, there's a bike we haven't seen for a long time. Vanguard Wax. There's an OCB. Batteries, Motorbike. Ride with me. Right, they do like headsets and things for the cameras, headsets, as you can see on the side there. Come round, see what else there is. Suzuki, another company for oil. Dash cam to do if you want one for your bike or your car. They come with little built-in screens. So you can tell me how big you want them, small, up to large. Amber. And then we've got some bikes coming around. Nice Torino. There's a couple of really pretty old looking bikes here. I'm going to show you what I just see. You think they're built on like a bicycle. Obviously had enough, not here today. More cameras for your helmets. I'm just going to try and put this sticker away. I've always liked this. What I'm going to show you next is a pretty cool idea. Not these. More of these. So very bright. They've got lights for a lot of different companies. I've noticed there's a big list somewhere. You can find it online. You scan the code that's down there. And you can see there is those. So the company. They're pretty cool. I'll tell you what kind of lights that they have for the bikes. Here's a couple of ideas. I'm fine, thank you. Yeah. To give you an idea of a couple of the lights that they do, there's a full list. If you go onto their website, you'll see a whole list of everything they've got on there, of what bikes they cater for, and they're pretty cool. Pretty cool idea. So these have got the headphones already attached to the helmet cams, so you can actually hear what's going on. So they've got quite a few over here, all set up, as you can see. There's various other companies around here, brake pads, chains, various other tyres. There's food, if you want a hot dog. Compatible eyewear. I'm going to show you a company that have actually helped sponsor this video later on, so I'll show you that. Pirelli's, yep, so this is the company I use for my tyres. Look at that, BWS, B's, Yamaha 125. Okay. And of course, the unforgettable Insta360. And no, I'm not using an Insta360. If I did, I'd cover it all up, black masking tape, because they don't sponsor anything that I do. So I would, yeah, cover everything up that I have. This is a pretty cool idea. So if you have an Insta360, they have a transceiver and a receiver. So you can see here is the little microphones. So you can get 1, 2, up to, I think it's 4 microphones you can use up to 1 camera. You have 2 cameras, then you're going to need 2 of these boxes. So 2 or more, you're going to need 1 of these boxes to receive everything. So if you have 2 cameras and 4 microphones or 8 microphones, you're going to need 2 of these, 1 for each camera. Pretty cool idea, and you can change the look of these as well. They have little smiley faces, put your logo on there. It's the Insta360 Mic Pro. Go check that out, it's a pretty cool idea. Make life a ride, BMW. Royal Enfield.
Welcome to the leadership.
You've got to find Royal Enfield. I think you have to look for Harley Davidson. So Harley Davidson have brought the Royal Enfields over. They've taken over it. Give a shot. Right little Harley for you. Seat height on some of these less than 1 metre tall.
There's a lot of things that can be probably market leading to the competitions in many areas. Incredibly powerful, everything is a whole thing. Next level, best for life. This segment, I was in the so move and stuff today. So now
it's in the way to catch on them. Come on, Triumph. To me, they're okay to look at now. Nothing special like it used to be. Bridgestone tyres. Dunlop. So I have Pirellis on my scooter and I have Dunlop, I think it's Dunlop on my CB. Suzuki. I remember one of the a friend of mine had Suzuki TS 125. So this always reminds me of it a little bit. I think obviously it's the colours. They're like a kind of all-terrain, off-road. There is one I wanted to look at. Here it is. Let me show you this really funny looking scooter. Oh, see, what is this one? The Ghost. Why do I think it's funny? Okay, you're riding a scooter. So look at these handlebars. Look at them. So you want to have dropped handlebars on a scooter. One of the funniest things you'll ever see. Okay, very comfortable back seat. So here's the USB I was talking about on the left hand side. The switch for your lights. So you can see the display. Plenty of room for things on the handlebars, your accessories, phone mount, kill switch, on off. Also comes with a camera goes round. One more. Got a wind deflector. That feels pretty cool. I really like this bike. I think it's pretty cool. .250cc white plate. Good for the road. And if you want to take it off-road, I suppose you can do that. Plenty of clearance. We can just get his toes down both sides. I've got a little bit more. He's shorter than me. There's plenty of clearance down there. Decent tyres. Let me show you the front of this scooter with the dropped handlebars. Okay, I will do it. I mean, the light is pretty cool. I'll admit that. But it's very kind of jeepy. Is this something I'd want to ride? No. 我这个在场上看那个。